Good day, employer in Hong Kong. My name is Nozel Unabia Wayan. I'm 44 years old. I'm legally married. I have 5 kids, 4 boys and 1 girl. Their ages are 19, 17, 13, 11, and 8 years old. I have work experience in Kingdom Saudi Arabia and in the Philippines for 6 years. My duties, there are washing, ironing clothes, marketing, cooking, housekeeping, taking care of newborn baby, toddlers, kids, and elderly, and also pets like cats and dogs. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities. And also, I will promise to take care of your family like my own family. If you have kids, I will love your kids like my own kids. Thank you and have a good day.